Ready.
Your fucking bottle rockets off like this. You ain't American, brother. Hell yeah, brother.
Wow, come here. He doesn't quite whistle though. Yeah. Oh yeah. Do you like that? Ozzy, look! Look!
What's this, baby?
Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Freedom!
Freedom!
Freedom. Freedom. More freedom. Big freedom.
We're golden. Watch, guys.
No. Yeah. Bubba.
Whole lot of freedom here, brother. More freedom over here. We're saving that one for later, okay? That's an alley. Freedom.
Yep.
Alright, cool.
I was to help when you
You know,
play
it's a really good time to
I was
have
to
a
help when
background
you
song, but YouTube does not allow you to have background songs. This would be a good time to have like whole music. Freedom, baby. We should have that freedom, but we don't. So here we go. We're gonna spread some freedom. How you like this shit, YouTube? Alright, this is more freedom than what you really probably need in one spot. But we're gonna do it here. See? Five in one shot here. Big thumper in there, so be ready for that, baby. Alright, here we go.
Go.
Here goes nothing, baby. Okay. What you're about to see here could be highly illegal, but stay tuned. It's about to be good.
Wait 1 minute. Watch. Dad's gonna make a big boom.
Freedom, baby. How are you doing?